Hi everyone. Now this is for you. I'm speaking directly to you if you are someone that wants to create a mastermind, a workshop, or a course online or offline to create that successful income for yourself and create impact for other people by teaching them what you know. Okay? This is for you. So listen up. If you want to discover how to crush the number one thing holding you back from the next level of life you crave, Dean Graziosi has created a video for you to unleash, to get rid of your fears, because these people that he's speaking about that have tried out the mastermind offer that Dean Graziosi, Tony Robbins, and Russell Brunson have provided to help people extract their knowledge and create impact for other people by teaching them what they know. This video is for those people that have fears about this product. And the people in the video speaking have used to have the same fears you did. Okay, so this is for you. This is what you're going to see when you click on the link that's provided with this video. It'll take you to this video here where Dean is speaking.
Dean, I'm so glad. You're going to want to watch this entire video because I'm going to share what Tony and I believe is the number one thing that holds you back from that breakthrough that you want, to start the business, to follow your dreams, to break through 6 figures, break through 7 figures, break through to 8 figures, no matter where you are. This, what I'm going to share today, is the thing that is stopping you from getting to where you want to go. And first off, let me just say thank you for following us during the launch of the Knowledge Business Blueprint. Tony and I put our heart and our soul and spent the last year designing the process, the blueprint, to show you how to tap into the knowledge industry, a $355 million a day industry where you can share what you know, your passion, your hobby, your expertise, or a skill, and get paid to do it. And even if you don't think you have a skill or an expertise, we show you how to be the reporter or tap into other people's knowledge, share it, make impact, and make profits in an industry that Forbes said is going to $1 billion a day by 2025. And right on this page, so many of you have asked, right on this page below is the link on how you can enroll in the course before we close it down. Yes, this is a launch with a really special opportunity.
Okay, I'm going to leave it there so that you can go ahead and watch that video for yourself. There is a event training videos here. The replay is here, so never fear. That's available to watch, but I'm stressing only for a short period of time. They are leaving that up there. They really are. And then they're taking it down. The top 3 questions answered. That's the question and answer video that Dean created, and the number 1 must-know thing. Okay? So this is this video right here that you're watching. All right? Makes sense? So to watch any of the videos from this incredible learning experience, click one of the thumbnails to the right. Okay, you can watch those videos. And then you can click on this call to action button here to enroll in the Knowledge Business Blueprint today and get the insane bonuses today before the offer expires from Russell, Dean, and Tony. And these are the bonuses that you'll get. The incredibly designed 4-module training course, the Knowledge Business Blueprint. Learn how to extract your knowledge, fill your events, seamlessly run them online or in person, and profit from someone else's knowledge. So if you don't feel that you're an expert in any particular area that you want to teach other people, you can use the knowledge from other people and become a knowledge broker. If you don't know what that means, you need to go back and watch the webinar because it explains that concept. Okay, so you can package other people's knowledge and partner with them and create a product to sell to other people, a knowledge product, a course, a mastermind, a workshop, and make money from that and create impact in the world. You are helping other people with the knowledge that you have, or you sharing someone else's knowledge with someone else. It's going to solve someone else's problem. Okay, it's going to teach something to someone else that they want to learn, a skill that they want to get. Okay, they want to learn from someone. That someone could be you. Okay, so that's what that's about. So it's to learn how to extract your knowledge, fill your events, and seamlessly run them online or in person and profit from someone else's knowledge. A free year of the MindMint software, the curriculum designer, point and click web builder, and event wizard, the private KBB Facebook group, the in-depth KBB workbook in the Facebook group. You can get help from other people who are doing the same thing you are doing, and you can support each other. Plus these bonuses. The best of platinum, get access to the closed door trainings that only people who have paid $85,000 have had access to until now. Live monthly training with Dean. Stay on track to your full potential by learning Dean's biggest breakthroughs live every month. Funnels to Fill from Russell Brunson. Learn the next level marketing strategies to fill your events automatically from one of the best on the planet, Russell Brunson, who created ClickFunnels software. Okay, that is a $100 million company, so he knows what he's talking about. The Traffic Bundle. Get the Traffic Secrets training from Dean's personal in-house marketing team. These people are superheroes. Okay, I've watched them in action as an affiliate. I've been working with them, and they are amazing. And I've been keeping an eye on Dean's social media accounts. They run his social media accounts, and they're amazing at what they do. Okay, so you're going to get access to that marketing team. Okay, their secrets. All right, so the total value of those things are $5,175, but you can get it for only $1,997. The total value, $5,175 that you are getting. You're getting all that value for only $1,997, okay? And this is worth a lot more than that, okay? And not only that, I'm going to throw on bonuses myself as a thank you to you. These are free gifts, especially from me, as a bribe, a thank you, a gift for purchasing this offer through my affiliate link. Does that make sense? So this is what you're going to get. You're going to get a choice of 3 things. And they are, a lot of makeup artists tell me that a struggle that they have is not knowing what type of lighting to use for their videos, for their tutorial videos. This eliminates that excuse for you, so you can go out and create your course training tutorial videos or videos to advertise your course, mastermind, or workshop. Does that make sense? So this is a ring light. It's the Luvo ring light. Glow Pro 2, where you can mount your camera and your phone. And I think this is really awesome. So this is an option that you may wish to have. It's option 1. Okay, so tell me, I want you to tell me in an email, which I'll provide in a moment. Option 2 is the Morphe Jaclyn Hill brushes. Okay, please explain to me what bonus that you want. Say option 1, 2, or 3, but also name the bonus that you want, so I know exactly what you're after. The Morphe X Jaclyn Hill brushes, and they have a $394 value in Australian dollars. So that's option 2. And another look at the Glow Pro 2 ring light. And option 3, Option 3 I chose for you is this Glamcore Classic Elite 2 Light Kit for beauty professionals. Okay, so this has powerful premium 5600K daylight LED light, touch controls, 5-stage touch dimming and touch power, lightweight, super lightweight, portable, no cool down period. Once you are finished, you can pack it and go. So there's no fear of being burnt by this or touching something that's hot. Okay, it's ready to pack up straight away. Power supply, dual voltage 100 to 240 AC. I think that's pretty awesome. This takes away any excuse that you may have for not creating your course videos or your advertising videos, advertising your course, mastermind, or workshop. Does that make sense? So no excuses. Go out there and create your videos, because you're going to have all the tools that you need and all the education you need and the software you need, with all of these bonuses together and the offer that Russell, Tony, and Dean have put together for you. No excuses whatsoever. And this video here that you watch from Dean will eliminate any fears you may have. Okay, there's also a question and answer video there if you have any questions. So everything is provided for you. It is now only up to you to take action to make a change in your life and make change in someone else's life that's going to benefit from learning what it is you know and learning the skill that you have. You can pass it on to someone else and create impact in the world. Does that make sense? This is going to provide you with what you need in order to do that in a successful way. Does that make sense? So go ahead, click on the link with this video. It will take you to this page. When you click on here, this will take you to the order form where you can purchase that offer. When you purchase that offer, please email me. Actually, I want you to screenshot there's affiliate link up the top. I'm not going to show you the number, but please take a screenshot of that so that I know you've purchased through my link. Take a screenshot of any proof of purchase that you've been provided with, a receipt, an invoice, etc. And email it to Miranda Wright at marketonlinecourses.com. That is Miranda Wright at marketonlinecourses.com. Tell me what bonus that you do want and your mailing address, your screenshots, and I will send those bonuses to you, your choice of bonus. Does that make sense? Okay, for a generous offer from me, just as a thank you for purchasing through my link. Does that make sense? So again, those bonuses are the Luvo Glow Pro 2 ring light that has you can mount your camera or your phone to the outside of it or the inside. Let me see. See, in the inside of it, you can do your own makeup or do makeup on somebody else and film it and not have to worry about camera crew, lighting crew, etc. You can easily do this yourself. Does that make sense? You also have the choice of the Morph X Jaclyn Hill brushes or the Glamcore Classic Elite 2 Light Kit for beauty professionals. Okay, so tell me your choice of bonus. I'll send that to you if you email Miranda Wright at marketonlinecourses.com with the screenshot of my affiliate link up the top. When you scroll in the search bar, when you reach this order page, here, scroll along, look at the affiliate link number at the end. If you scroll along like this and take a screenshot of that, take a screenshot of your proof of purchase, receipt, invoice, whatever you're provided, that should be in your email, provided from Dean, Russell, and Tony, and email those to me along with your choice of bonus, gift, bribe, whatever you want to call it, and your mailing address, of course, so I can send those to you straight away. This offer is not going to be around for long. I really do mean that, so that's why I'm stressing it to you, and you need to really move fast on this, okay, to take advantage of it. All right, thank you for listening to me. Bye for now. If there's anything you need, reach out to me. I'm Miranda Wright. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the course and in the training course, all right? Because I'm going to be doing this mastermind training course myself and taking advantage of this offer, all right? So bye for now.